Good evening, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Dollars Make Sense, and on this channel, you guys will get nothing more and nothing less than videos I will provide you on ways to make money online. Okay, so I discovered a new app today. It is for iOS only, iPhones, and it's a really good app. You guys are going to like this. Trust me, you're going to like this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open the app here. So the app is called Pinyada, okay? And Pinyada is basically an app where you do trial offers and you get paid once you accumulate 1,000 points, and that is equivalent to $10, okay? There are freebie sites where you will be making somebody else money. Basically, you will sign up under somebody and you have to get 1 credit. But once you get your 1 credit, you're then qualified, and then you have to go out and get other people to sign up under you to get paid. So this is why I like this one better, because you don't have to worry about other people's efforts. You just have to make your own efforts, okay? So basically, I'm gonna open the app up and show you guys how it works. So remember, the app's called Pinyada. It's for iOS only. So if you have an iPhone, you might want to think about purchasing one. Okay, you hit allow here, and you're going to swipe over. Sign up for free to claim your 500 bonus points, just $5 just for joining. So basically, you get these points when you sign up. You get 500 points just for signing up. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up with my Google account, because I don't like signing up with Facebook for whatever the reason. I just don't like doing that. So I'm going to use my Velvet 360 account here, and I got 500 points. Okay, so remember, once you get to 1,000 points, you cash out $10. And there are free offers you guys can do, and most of these are free, where you don't even have to use a credit card. Okay, so let's just wait for it to finish loading. So signing up right out the back, you get 500 points. Basically, you got to earn another 500 and you'll get paid. Okay, so we're gonna exit. We're going to look through these offers here. We don't want to do that one. ABC Mouse. This is one you guys want to do. And you see it's worth 240 points. That gives you 740 points. And all you need is 1 cent on your card, bank or debit card, to do this offer. You just need 1 cent on your card, okay, to do this offer. Or $1 or whatever. 1 cent. Or $1 or more. So most likely it's going to be 1 cent. And we have Hulu. You can sign up for Hulu. You get 800 points. You can do Tidal. Let me see. That's 200 points. Credit Sesame's free. You guys won't even need to. It's free. You just sign up and that's it. So with that one and ABC Mouse, that's going to be 5, 6, 7. That's going to be 800 points right there, 800 and something points. So you're already close to getting 1,000 points. And you can just scroll through here and see which ones you want to do. VIP Voice, you just sign up for that. Register, confirm your email, and you get your 140 points. Clio is another one. You guys can do that. You just connect a bank account to Clio and you get paid for that. Survey Junkie. You guys know about Survey Junkie. It's free to sign up. You just sign up and you complete your first survey and you get 60 points for that. So most of these are free. Credit Karma is another one that's free. You just gotta look through here, you guys. You just gotta look through here, okay? So I'm gonna show you this. Let's see if it'll let me show you. see, you need a minimum of 1,000 points to cash out, which is $10. Okay, so let's go back here. Sorry about that. Let me open the app. So refer friends. Just click on this. Okay, you will earn 100 points for each friend you refer who registers with your referral link and completes at least one offer. The more friends you refer, the more points you earn. So I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description below. There's only 2 videos on YouTube about this, and I'm gonna be the 3rd video that's on YouTube about it. Not trying to compete, but I did my research and I saw that there was only 2 videos on YouTube about Pinyada. And this is an app I've never heard about, but as you guys can see, it's not available on the Google Play Store. It's only on the for the iOS phone. So if you have an iPhone, this app will work perfectly for you. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, like this video, share it, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos. I'm going to keep doing my research and keep bringing you guys money-making opportunities. But for now, go ahead and, sign up with Pinyada and get started making your $10 today.